wood waste, we used a disc crusher to get the smaller sized, and then test the continuously working rotary carbonization furnace to make the charcoal biochar. This is a smaller capacity, only 600 kg per hour, and we have bigger options. So it's shaping firstly and then crush with the hammers to smaller sized. And we control the sieve to control the output size. Like this is the ideal condition, smaller sized but not fine powder. Pine wood sawdust. Continuously working rotary biomass pyrolysis carbonization furnace with the second pyrolysis reactor. Gas after recycled. After burnt smoke recycle system. The output discharged with cooling only 40 centigrade.
Yeah.